Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Emma. I want you to think about this for a moment. You're at a networking event. Someone walks up to you and says, "So, what do you do?" And suddenly, your mind goes blank. You know what you do. You do it every single day. But in English, you don't know how to explain it. You say, I work in office. The person smiles politely, but you can see it in their eyes. They don't really understand. You feel embarrassed. You feel frustrated. You change the subject as fast as possible. Or maybe this happens. You're in a job interview. The interviewer asks, "Can you tell me about your current role?" You know exactly what you do, but the words don't come out right. You say, "I do many things: computers, papers, meeting." The interviewer nods, but you know that wasn't good enough. Here's the truth. If you can't talk about your job clearly in English, people will underestimate you. They'll think you're not professional. They'll think you're not confident. They'll think you can't do the job, even when you're excellent at what you do. But today, that changes. Today, you'll learn exactly how to talk about your job like a professional, not with complicated vocabulary, not with fancy words you'll forget tomorrow, with simple, clear English that anyone can understand and remember. By the end of this video, you will describe your job role clearly and confidently. Explain your daily tasks in simple English. Answer, "What do you do?" without hesitation. Sound professional in any situation. This is not textbook English. This is real English for real professionals. Are you ready? Let's begin. 35 essential phrases for talking about your job. Shadowing. Category 1. Introducing your job title. I'm a. Use this with your job title. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I work as a. Another way to say your job? I work as a nurse. I work as a nurse. I work as a nurse. I work at. Use this with company name. I work at Samsung. I work at Samsung. I work at Samsung. I work for. Same meaning as work at. I work for Amazon. I work for Amazon. I work for Amazon. I work in. Use this with industry or field. I work in healthcare. I work in healthcare. I work in healthcare. Category 2. Describing your main role. I'm responsible for. What is your main duty? I'm responsible for customer service. I'm responsible for customer service. I'm responsible for customer service. I take care of. What do you handle? I take care of the patients. I take care of the patients. I take care of the patients. I manage. What do you control or lead? I manage a team of 5 people. I manage a team of 5 people. I manage a team of 5 people. I handle. What tasks do you do? I handle customer complaints. I handle customer complaints. I handle customer complaints. I'm in charge of. What is your responsibility? I'm in charge of the schedule. I'm in charge of the schedule. I'm in charge of the schedule. Category 3. Talking about daily tasks. Every day, I. What do you do daily? Every day, I answer phone calls. Every day, I answer phone calls. Every day, I answer phone calls. I usually. What do you normally do? I usually start work at 9 a.m. I usually start work at 9 a.m. I usually start work at 9 a.m. I spend most of my time. What takes most of your day? I spend most of my time on the computer. I spend most of my time on the computer. I spend most of my time on the computer. My typical day involves. What activities do you do? My typical day involves meetings and emails. My typical day involves meetings and emails. My typical day involves meetings and emails. I work with. Who do you work with? I work with the sales team. I work with the sales team. I work with the sales team. Category 4. Explaining your work simply. Basically, I. Simple explanation of your job. Basically, I help customers find products. Basically, I help customers find products. Basically, I help customers find products. My job is to. Clear purpose of your work. My job is to keep the office organized. My job is to keep the office organized. My job is to keep the office organized. I help. Who do you assist? I help students learn English. I help students learn English. I help students learn English. In simple terms, I. Easy way to describe your job. In simple terms, I manage the store. In simple terms, I manage the store. In simple terms, I manage the store. What I do is. Plain language explanation. What I do is fix computers. What I do is fix computers. What I do is fix computers. Category 5. Talking about specific tasks. I create. What do you make or build? I create marketing materials. I create marketing materials. I create marketing materials. I check. What do you review or verify? I check the inventory every morning. I check the inventory every morning. I check the inventory every morning. I prepare. What do you get ready? I prepare financial reports. I prepare financial reports. I prepare financial reports. I organize. What do you arrange or plan? I organize company events. I organize company events. I organize company events. I process. What do you handle or complete? I process online orders. I process online orders. I process online orders. Category 6. Talking about team and collaboration. I work closely with. Who do you collaborate with? I work closely with the IT department. I work closely with the IT department. I work closely with the IT department. I report to. Who is your boss? I report to the operations manager. I report to the operations manager. I report to the operations manager. I'm part of. What team are you on? I'm part of the marketing team. I'm part of the marketing team. I'm part of the marketing team. I collaborate with. Who do you work together with? I collaborate with other designers. I collaborate with other designers. I collaborate with other designers. I communicate with. Who do you talk to for work? I communicate with clients daily. I communicate with clients daily. I communicate with clients daily. Category 7. Additional useful phrases. I've been working here for. How long at your job? I've been working here for 2 years. I've been working here for 2 years. I've been working here for 2 years. I use. What tools or software? I use Excel and Word every day. I use Excel and Word every day. I use Excel and Word every day. A big part of my job is. What's important in your work? A big part of my job is customer communication. A big part of my job is customer communication. A big part of my job is customer communication. I need to be good at. What skills are important? I need to be good at problem solving. I need to be good at problem solving. I need to be good at problem solving. My role requires. What does your job need? My role requires attention to detail. My role requires attention to detail. My role requires attention to detail. Perfect. You just learned 35 phrases for talking about your job. Now, let me show you how to use these in a real conversation. Real life example, Maria at a networking event. Meet Maria. She's 32 years old. She moved to Toronto, Canada 1 year ago. She works as a customer service coordinator. She's good at her job, but she's always nervous about explaining it in English. Tonight, she's at a professional networking event. She's here to make connections and practice her English. A man approaches her near the refreshments table. His name is David. He works in sales. This is her chance to practice. Let's watch how she talks about her job. Dialogue. Introducing your job professionally.
Hi there, I'm David. Are you enjoying the event?
Hi, David. I'm Maria. Yes, it's great. This is my first time here.
Oh, welcome. So, Maria, what do you do?
I work as a customer service coordinator at Tech Solutions.
Tech Solutions, I've heard of them. What does a customer service coordinator do?
Basically, I manage the customer support team. I'm responsible for making sure our customers get help quickly.
That sounds important. What does your typical day look like?
Every day, I check customer complaints. I handle urgent issues, and I work with my team to solve problems.
So you're managing people and solving problems at the same time?
Exactly. I spend most of my time on the computer. I communicate with customers and my team. I also work closely with the IT department.
How long have you been with Tech Solutions?
I've been working here for 8 months now.
That's great. What do you like most about your job?
I help customers solve their problems. That feels good. My role requires patience and good communication skills.
It sounds like you're in the right position. Do you use any special software for your work?
Yes, I use Zendesk every day. I also use Slack to communicate with my team.
Customer service is so important for tech companies. What's the most challenging part of your job?
The most challenging part is when we have many urgent requests. I need to be good at prioritizing and staying calm.
That makes sense. Do you work with customers directly or mostly through your team?
I work with both. I handle complex issues, but my team takes care of most daily requests.
I see. So you're part of which department?
I'm part of the customer experience team. I report to the customer experience manager. I collaborate with the sales team when needed.
It sounds like you have your hands full.
I do, but I like it. In simple terms, my job is to make customers happy.
Well, you explained that very clearly. It was nice meeting you, Maria.
Thank you, David. Nice meeting you too. Excellent. Let's analyze what Maria did right. Clear job title. I work as a customer service coordinator at Tech Solutions. Simple explanation. Basically, I manage the customer support team. Used phrases from today. Every day I check. I handle. I work with. Short, simple sentences. Easy to understand. Talked about skills, patience, and good communication. Stayed confident. No hesitation, clear voice. Maria used 12 different phrases from our lesson. Did you notice them? This is exactly how you should talk about your job. Simple, clear, confident. Now let me give you a simple formula you can use every time someone asks about your job. Step 1. Job title plus company. I'm a job title at a company. Example, I'm a sales manager at Global Electronics. Step 2. Main responsibility. I'm responsible for main duty. Example, I'm responsible for the sales team. Step 3. Daily tasks. Pick 2 to 3. Every day, I task 1 and task 2. Example, every day I meet with my team and I contact clients. Step 4. Simple summary. Basically, simple explanation. Example, basically, I help my team sell more products. That's it. 4 simple steps. Let me show you more examples. Example 1. Software developer. I'm a software developer at AppTech. I'm responsible for creating mobile apps. Every day, I write code and I test new features. Basically, I build apps for phones. Example 2. Restaurant manager. I work as a restaurant manager at Bella Vista. I am in charge of daily operations. Every day, I manage staff and I handle customer concerns. In simple terms, I make sure the restaurant runs smoothly. Example 3. Nurse. I'm a nurse at City Hospital. I take care of patients in the emergency department. I spend most of my time checking patients and giving medications. My job is to help patients get care quickly. Example 4. Marketing coordinator. I work as a marketing coordinator. I manage our social media. Every day I create content and I respond to comments. Basically, I help people discover our brand online. Example 5. Warehouse worker. I work at FedEx. I'm responsible for organizing packages. Every day I sort boxes and I load delivery trucks. My job is to make sure packages go to the right place. Example 6. Administrative assistant. I'm an administrative assistant at a law firm. I handle scheduling and documents. Every day I answer calls and I organize meetings. Basically, I help the lawyers stay organized. See? Simple, clear, professional. You don't need complicated words. You just need to be clear about what you do. Here are my top tips for answering what do you do. Tip number 1. Keep sentences short. One idea equals one sentence. Short sentences are easier to say and easier to understand. Tip number 2. Practice your introduction. Write down your 4-step formula. Practice saying it 10 times. Record yourself and listen. Tip number 3. Use simple words. Don't say, I facilitate cross-functional synergies. Say, I help different teams work together. Tip number 4. Be ready for follow-up questions. After you explain your job, people often ask, how long have you been doing that? What do you like about it? What's challenging about your job? Practice your answers. Tip number 5, show a little enthusiasm. Don't say, I just work in customer service. Say, I work in customer service. I help customers solve problems. Even a small smile makes you sound more confident. Before you go, I want to hear from you. In the comments, write your job introduction using the 4-step formula. I'll read every comment and I'll give you feedback to make it even better. Here's the formula again. I'm a job title at company. I'm responsible for main duty. Every day, I task and task. Basically, simple explanation. Write in the comments right now. Like this video if you feel more confident talking about your job. Share it with your friends who are learning English. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss a lesson. Remember, you don't need fancy words. You need clear words. You don't need perfect grammar. You need simple sentences. Your job is valuable. Your skills are valuable. And now you can talk about them in English. I'm Emma from Speak English Daily. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you for being here with me today. You're doing amazing. Take care, everyone. Bye.